Hello my friends and welcome back. I am coming on to do my last layout for Build-A-Page. So this would be my 5th page kit that I created using a Mercy Tira kit. It was the June 2023 kit called Feeling Groovy. So I've used this for all 5. I still have a ton of product left, but I did have 24 sheets of pattern paper. Yeah, I had a lot going on there. So let's see what we're going to use. Well, first of all, here's a photo of my daughter and Nick, and they took a bit of a sunset photo and sent it to me. They're so great about that. So I have that. Then I've got a scrap of paper, which is a gorgeous, the florals are beautiful, just beautiful. I think that's Jen Hadfield. I think it is. I've got Jen Hadfield Flower Child right here. Or is that Maggie Holmes? Is that Maggie Holmes? That might be Maggie Holmes. Anywho, I love these cassette tapes, so I'm going to cut some up. That's what that is. And these are scraps from the other paper I used, and I had 2 complete cassettes left. So I'm like, all right, let me use those first. I'm going to use this Maggie Holmes piece right here that is called from Woodland Grove, called Garden Grove, to map my layout. And then I'm going to use this Jen Hadfield Flower Child piece right here to have for my background. Phew. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna, gut this plaid paper so I can have a piece of that. I'm gonna mat my photo in this, mat it in the plaid, mat it with this, mat it with all of the things, and cut out a bunch of mixtapes and do some kind of cascade down, I think maybe this side with it, or do I wanna go on the diagonal? We're going to find out. It depends on how mixtape I feel like getting. I don't know. I also pulled 3 pieces of this Vicki Boutin chipboard in a nice bright white and some of these Jen Hadfield florals, and I kept vibing on this blue tone when I was pulling them. So that's what we have going there to start. Now, I do have a bunch of die cuts from Vicki Boutin. I have more from Jen Hadfield. I also have in my stasheroo here, I have got this Jen Hadfield foam stickers, a gorgeous alpha from Vicki Boutin. I've got pink fresh frames, Jen Hadfield stickers, and then Vicki Boutin chipboard. So I have plenty of pieces to tuck and have fun with and all of that kind of thing as we go. But in the meantime, let me do my homework. I'm also going to go ahead and mat this with a scrap of white cardstock, which I do all the time. There's nothing momentous going on there. I just have, I just like the look of the bright white right around a photo. I saw a tiny bit of the other photo I had printed at the same time peeking through, so we did a quick trim. So I've got some homework to do. I'm going to sign off for a moment and I'll be right back. So this is kind of the idea I have. So I have this piece right here. It's popped up on, I guess, a triple mat. And I just want a wonky cascade of these cassettes, mixtapes, whatever. And then I was thinking it would be really cute to just tuck all of these flowers in and amongst it. All right, so, and I was looking, and since so much of this was me digging this bright blue, I thought this Where to Next would be the perfect title. So it's bringing in that blue, and I can pop it like right with all of those mixtapes and these flowers coming down. I thought it would end up being so darned cute. So let me spend some time popping these up, attaching everything down, and starting to tuck all of these gorgeous pieces in. I just want them kind of here and there brought in. I thought that would be a really cute way to do it. How fun is that, guys? Just kind of willy-nilly and a part of things. So that is my plan to start. Now I do have some of this chipboard and I definitely want to get some of this in. So let's see, before I fully commit to where these pieces go, let's look at getting some of these beautiful pieces in. Maybe just a little wonky wonk right there. Perfect. Perfect, guys. So let me get all of these pieces down. At least you see where I'm going with Lots and lots of these beautiful embellishments. I think this one right there. Awesome. All right, so I have the base of all of this down, and it is a fantastic start. I like that I have got this bright white chipboard in here. So we've got really fun things. So at this point, I think I just want to look at bits and pieces bit by bit that are left in my kit. I've got this gorgeous bright blue piece right here. I think I'm just going to tuck it in. It reads Passport, has zero to do with this. It's just about that beautiful blue tone. Does not matter at all. I'm just vibing the blue. Okay, do I need any of these other little florals in here? Ooh, I rather like that one there. So let's go ahead and tuck that. I just need a little bit more happening in this cluster area. I kind of wonder if, guys, do we have any more little mixtapes or anything on here? Ooh, guys, look at this. I've got this really cool radio, and that totally works with all of this mixtape stuff. Let me go ahead and pull this piece up. I want to see if I can make all of this part of this radio or of this title cluster. Ooh, I love this. All right, I'm trying to do this and still be able to get these elements on here. Maybe like this. Okay. I like that. Is this down correctly? I want to make sure that this is being placed correctly. This goes here. It brings that together. Do I have a little pop-up right here? I want a little pop-up right there for some shadow. Okay. I'm super happy with that, guys. Super happy with that. So now we've got the radio and the mixtapes, and it makes it just like that much more fun. Great. Do I want this one on the top, or do I want this black one on the top with this remember? I think maybe like this. Totally doesn't matter. I just saw it and I thought it was kind of pretty. Okay. I get so excited with all these pretties. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. How about me tucking in just a little pink floral? Guys, I have all of these bits that I'm telling you, you start with this big scrap space. This happens to all of us, right? You start with a big scrap space and you're creating a layout, and by the time you get going, it's just like this dinky little area that you have left. All right, let me see. Since I've got this like orangey, bronzy metallic going, I feel like I should bring in a little bit more. How about these like dramatic star shapes? Because what I can do is do a little bit of a tuck and have them coming out, and that's just fun. So I'm gonna do that. Ooh, and I also have one in a heart, which is perfect. Perfect. So I have one there. I've got some of it here. I like the idea. Okay, I can put it across and layer it on this piece. And then, so I have it in this visual triangle. So I'm gonna tuck a little bit right here as well. I think right there on the edge. Okay, so I've got some great pieces working. Do I need anything else from here? Do I need anything else? Now I have a lot going already, which I love doing that. That is not an issue to me. I love this green, and I have it in a few places. Let me see if it lends itself. It sure does, to coming across right there like it's a washi. I'm kind of thinking though, since I do have this thicker washi, of layering the washies. Because why have one washi when you can have two washies? I can go like that and tuck some of that under there and then pop this one right up on top. Like so. Cute. And I'm bringing in that gorgeous green. So that makes me happy. Nice. Oh, I've got cute little tiny puffy, like foamy flower here. Just want to make sure that I've got repeating elements. Oh, that's so cute. like right there. It's just cute. Okay. Are we seeing anything else that we need to bring in? Not from this one. We have got, oh, I didn't see if I wanted to use any of these little pretties. I feel like something should go across here. We'll look at that in just a second. I've got enough of these squared off kind of lines, so I probably do not need to bring in these. Let's see what we have on this piece. Oh, look, there's that radio again, but it's with like the silvery holographic. And this one has more of this really cool like gold tone. Okay, what I was looking for is like a wordy bit. Let's see if Vicki Boutin has any little words. Totally Obsessed might be good. Why not be dramatic if we're going in? Hello. So maybe if I can peel this slightly up, trying not to hurt it. I can bring this right at that juncture with this piece. Okay, we have a Totally Obsessed word. I think that's cute. I don't know why the wordy bits do it for me. The Ride doesn't make any sense. Memento. I'm thinking my greens. This one's got a lot more yellow in it, and this is a little bit more on the seafoam side, so I don't want to bring those together on that. Guys, why do I like that little tiny lemon? I don't know. But the little tiny lemon would like to be recognized as part of this layout. Where do we need to bring in just a little bit of a random lemon? There we go. Got lots of street signs, cars, all that kind of stuff. I do like all that. The wow, best experience. Create still doesn't work because, you know, that would be perfect for a crafting layout. Discover new places, top 5 things. Look at these shells. Those need to go on a beachy layout. Am I good? Am I done? Am I done? You know what I think I want to do? I'm going to get my enamel dots, but I think I want to go into my Nuvo, Pops Color, whatever, and fill in any of the floral centers as well. Or do I go off? I'm going to go off with the enamel dots because I have them. All right, let me pop them all on and I'll come back and show you my finished layout. So I did use enamel dots for most of my flower centers. Then I went and grabbed some Nuvo drops that are in, they're crystal drops. They're a metallic and, where's my color? Oh, they're in navy blue. And they are actually a gorgeous little navy blue. So anywhere that I do not have an enamel dot, I've got just a little bit of Nuvo drying, and I thought that was super fun. So that's what I have today. I'm finishing up my Build-A-Page, guys. I will have links down below for the other Build-A-Page creators, as well as Mercy Tierra Kit Club, since I was using my Kit Club kit for this month. I think that's what I have today. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have still shots to follow, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.